Now we'll prepare the journal entries. You have to maintain the date column and you have to write the date. Year is 2019, March 1st. First entry is for receiving the application money on 40,000 shares of rupees 2.50 each. So bank account debit to share application account. Then the date will be July 1st, not March 1st, but July 1st, the date on which allotment money becomes due. So when you transfer the application money to share capital, it becomes due for allotment. July 1st you allot, but July 1st is assumed to be that now the company will or may allot shares. So the date will be July 1st, share application account debit to share capital account being application money transferred to share capital account. Then on the same date, July 1st, the allotment money becomes due on 40,000 shares of rupees 2.50 each. So the entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. Narration you know. Now you have to see in the question whether it was issued at premium. It means the shares were issued at premium or not, because you have to open security premium reserve account also. So in this question we don't have any premium, but along with allot money, one shareholder Ramesh has paid the first call money as well as final call money in advance. So the entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account to calls in advance account. Credit all incomes and gains. Calls advance account is a normal account. Now see the amounts. You have received all the allotment money, so 1 lakh will be credited. Calls advance will be 500 into first call rate 1000 plus 500 into 2 final call rate gives you 2500. Narration in and the bank account will be including this amount. It will be 1 lakh 2500. Narration will be being allotment received along with calls in advance. After allotment money received, first call money was due on December 1st. So you'll write the date December 1st. Share first call account debit to share capital account being first call money due on 40,000 shares of rupees 3 each. And that's how we got 1,20,000. The next entry is for receiving the first call money. Entry will be bank account debit, and now you will debit calls in advance account to adjust the money which you had received on first call from Ramesh with allotment money. So he had paid 1500 in advance with allotment money. That will be adjusted now. To share first call account, all the money received 1,20,000. This will be to close the account as you have debited first call in the above entry. And Mohan has paid on 100 shares of rupees 2 each at the time of first call his final call money. So you will credit 2 calls in advance with 200, 100 into 2 rupees. So the amount which has been received with first call is 1,20,000 plus 200 from Mohan minus 1,500 adjusted of Ramesh's advance money on 500 shares. And now we have 1,18,700 bank account. Being first call money received, calls in advance on 500 shares adjusted, and advance money received on 100 shares at rupees 2 each. Final call was made on March 1st, 2020. So the year will change. Share final call account debit with 80,000 to share capital account 80,000 being final call money due on 40,000 shares of rupees 2 each. Then receiving the final call money, Ramesh, who was allotted 500 shares, had paid advance on final call with allotment, and Mohan, who was allotted 100 shares, had paid with first call money advance for final call. So the adjustment has to be made here also for both the shareholders like this. March 1st, same date, bank account debit, calls in advance account debit 1200. Now how we got 1200? 500 into 2 rupees. Ramesh, who had paid advance with allotment money, plus 100 into 2 Mohan, who had paid advance with first call money. So 1002, that's how we got. 2 share final call account 80,000. 80,000 minus 1200 gives you the net balance received 78,800. Narration will be being final call money received, calls in advance adjusted on 500 shares and 100 shares of rupees 2 each. Now we'll pass the entries for interest on calls in advance. On 1st March, interest on advance, calls in advance will become due. Entry will be interest on calls in advance account debit to sundry members, that is the shareholders who have paid the money in advance. So we don't write their name, but we write sundry members. Interest being expense for the business, it will be debited, and members are the creditors of the business, so the liability will be credited, being interest due. Then it is given the question that on 1st March the interest was paid. Entry will be sundry members account debit to bank account, debit the receiver, credit the giver, and interest on call advance being nominal account will be transferred to statement of PL account. Entry will be statement of PL account debit to interest on call advance. This will be on the last day of the accounting year, that is on 31st March, and that is where the date is 31st, being interest transferred. Now how we got this 161? Now before you will not get this figure without doing the calculation. So in the working note, after this I have done, you can see how it is to be ascertained. It will be ascertained like this: asterisk sign, Ramesh, who has paid first call money as well as final call money, so we'll take it separately, on rupees 1,500 for 5 months. Now how we got 5 months? From the date of due that he is given with allotment money on July 1st. So from there we will count up till the first call money due date. So July, August, September, October, November. That's how we got 5 months. 1500 into rate 12% into time 5.12 gives you 75 rupees. Then he has given final call money also 1,502, if you remember. This also will count from the date he has given money. He has given this money with the allotment money due date or due money received. With allotment money received, that is on July 1st. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So 8 months. That's how we got 8 months. So after doing the calculation, it comes to 80 rupees. Then Mohan, who has paid 200 advance with first call. First call was due on December 1st. So December, January, February, how many months? 3 months. That's over 3 months. The amount is coming now 6 rupees. When you add, it comes to 161, which you will write here in the first entry and put an asterisk sign on that to denote the working note. That's all for today, children.